So I decided to do a quick video on fixing your turn indicators on a 8992 CSM Colt Summit Mirage. So what ends up happening on these is, or the symptoms of it is, you'll try to use your turn indicators and they obviously won't work, or it'll be an intermittent issue in the beginning before it becomes a really big problem where they no longer work anymore. So what it is the contacts on the back here end up getting gummed up like this. This is held on by a couple plastic clips in there. I already took this one apart. This is how it looks when it's all together and everything. There's no screws holding it on. It's just these 4 plastic clips, but you only need to remove the 3 to gain access to it. Once you get it out, it's going to look something like this. You grab a brass wire brush, clean this grunge out, and then put some new dielectric grease in there. You also want to pull out the slider, which is here on the bottom. Pretty sure the camera's picking it up there. So you just clean that out. If you can take it out, do it that way. If you feel comfortable just scrubbing at it right there, do it that way. Anyway, in order to figure out if this is your problem to begin with, you want to get an ohm meter, and then you want to hook up your red probe to the green-yellow wire on this connector, and then your black probe, which is over here, you'd want to put on either the green-blue or the green-red. You actually want to put it on both of those, depending on if it's a left turn issue or a right turn issue. But the green-yellow wire, which the red probe is on, is the voltage. So just keep that in mind. This one is either left or right, and that's pretty much it. You also have this white connector, but you can ignore that. For the most part, the issue is going to be in here. This part, or this connector, is actually underneath the steering column. This one's on the fuse box on the driver's side. So I think it's above. It's actually above the fuse box. So you just reach in, grab this, pull it out, and then probe those 3 wires. And then you can set the ohm meter to chime as well, which is what I did. Makes it even easier. So that when I'll put it on either way. Let's see. And just hook this up. Yeah, so it's this one right here. So this one works. I actually took this one apart and cleaned it up, so I know. But that's how you know you fixed it. So if you have an ohm meter, you can actually go in, clean it up, put it all back together again, and then just see if you fixed it here on the bench before you go and put the thing back in your car. Save you guys some time. So that's pretty much how you fix your turn indicators on these cars. If you found the video helpful, consider subscribing or liking the video. Thank you for your time and for watching. If you've gotten all the way through to the end, appreciate it. Have a good one.